Oh, did they just come?
Yes, they did.
Oh, I didn't hear them. Did the guy?
They delivered to the front door.
Oh, did he ring the bell or anything?
No.
So, oh, I wonder when.
Okay, I do wonder what the mail delivery people think when they've got to deliver a box with a label like that on it. Anyway, I have my black widows here. Let's open up the box and see how they're doing. This was shipped overnight. The weather has been pleasant, so I'm pretty confident that there's not going to be any problem here. Okay. Isn't this exciting? I'm doing an unboxing video. Let's get this a little better centered. Okay. Typical packaging for spiders. Ooh, they're beautiful. Okay. Oh man, even better. This one has got an egg sac already. So there we go. There's one. Uh-oh. No, this is not good. This one didn't make it. So I've only got 2 of them. And actually, looking at that egg sac looks a little bit squashed. Anyway, and here's another one. And this one has recently molted and is kind of on the small side, but that's okay. I kind of suspect that might actually be a male. What? No, it doesn't have the giant palps. It's got to be a female. I'm just used to seeing those really long forelimbs in the males. So let's get this out of the way. Bring back my. Let's get this a little better oriented. As you can see, so I've got these boxes all set up and ready for them. And what I'm going to do is just, where's my brush? So, standard spider manipulation technique is, oh, this brush is all gummed up with silk. Okay, like this one. You just get a paintbrush, and what I've done here is I've taken a couple of these containers and I've loaded them up with some moss to help keep the moisture in there. And oh man, she's gorgeous and she's huge. Just checking out the environment here. Yeah, don't come to me. I want you to hop off into this little space. It's all ready for you. Come on. I'm going to nudge her just a little bit. Black widows are good mamas and they do not like to leave their egg sac behind. But there, she's in. Okay, take a look. Where is she? She's over there. And now I'm going to seal her in, because we don't want her laying eggs that then hatch out and infest the science building in Minnesota. Anyway, that's a nice bonus. It's not a great looking egg. It's not a good exact, I don't think. I don't know if there's even any eggs in it. I will set it in the incubator for a while anyway, just to see. Okay, so that's one down. Here's the next one. The lean, long-legged spider here. And they are ready to go. They've also molted. So there's a molt in here. This one is definitely a juvenile, so we're looking at a young spider here. Checking out my thumb to see if it's tasty. No, it's not tasty. Juvenile because, okay, they're kind of small. They're big for a male, so probably a female, but just not fully developed yet. And she doesn't have the colors yet, so where's... Oh, there's a hint. There's just a hint of a bit of a red marking on the abdomen. So yeah, this I'm pretty sure is just a juvenile. And that's fine. We'll give her a chance to grow up here in the lab. Okay, go on in here and play. No, she'd rather go for my hand. It's okay. I'm gonna bring out the brush. It's okay. No, don't try to escape. Gotta stay here. Okay, those are two beautiful black widows. And one very sad, desiccated, horrible corpse. That was a kind of a big female too. I guess I'll have to contact the company and see if they'll send me another one. Oh, that's just sad. I hate to see it. Okay, so now the plan is I'm going to leave them alone. They are going to they're going to reside here in a nice little container. Come on. So there I am. Hello out there. So yeah, I'm just going to set these aside now. My obligation for today is done. I just let them spin their webs in here. I am not feeding them yet because these spiders do not like to consume just free-running food. They want it caught in a silken web. So I give them a day to build a cobweb in here. And then tomorrow, I get a mealworm each. Mealworms are incredibly easy. Can you even see them? Let's pop this open. Okay, so this is a container full of oatmeal, and we got some potatoes in there for moisture, and there's some cardboard tubes in there because the adult beetles like to hang out in those. and that's where they lay their eggs. Okay, there I have better control of everything. So now we're looking down in the mealworm container, and look at all the happy mealworms chomping away down in there. They also add some ambiance to the lab, because when it's really quiet and I sit here listening, I can hear them rustling and chewing and eating everything. The spiders, of course, are deadly silent. Okay, so those are the mealworms. Okay, let's get a closer look at the black widows. And I'll zoom in a little. So there's one. Aren't they lovely? They're just taking it easy. They're out of their cramped quarters. It's been a long day of travel for them. So they're just going to be exploring around in here. I keep them in these containers. And some people might just yell at me and say, but there are no air holes in there. And there aren't. There doesn't need to be, because I open these up every day, and spiders have a very slow metabolism. So they are going to be just fine. They're not going to suffocate in here. So there they are. And here's the other one. This one is the fully grown female. And she's got a branch to cling to. And I will not disturb her anymore. They've had a rough couple of days. I think these are also wild caught as well, so they've been displaced from their lovely home environment in Florida and moved to Minnesota. They're saying, what's going on here? Okay. So like I said, I'll let them build their webs in here. And then tomorrow they get mealworms. And hopefully they start laying eggs for me real soon. I am eager to get some more embryos going in here.